So from here we can wonderfully observe what our brush is doing. And as we are making a specific custom brush, we have a specific idea of it. We definitely turn the spacing down, or turn the spacing up, I'm sorry, like turn the samples down in this case. And now when we activate our shape dynamics and click on this little flip X jitter, we can see how every now and then the axis is flipped horizontally. And now you know why I don't want it to save it like in a very tilted position. Like the initial texture, when we look at it, it's very like straight. However, if I would have saved it in a very tilted position, just like that, like we would have not been able to have a similar effect that gives us like this control of really like having a one directional, oops, I'm painting on the wrong layer, careful with that, of course. Like there we go, having this one directional feel to the brush, which is important when we turn on our direction. And that is what I initially wanted. I wanted to flow with the direction depending on where I actually it's not the tilt, but where I flow with the brush, and in which direction I draw, the brush tilts with it. And this allows me to have kind of like a bushy or tree feel, to add a very plant-like feel to it. And this coupled with a little bit more like of a jitter in the angle and roundness jitters, it is interesting. I don't know if it makes sense here as it squashes a little bit hard, but yeah, I would just try around with it. But definitely a size jitter, it's definitely a cool thing to do. And then the transfer. And here's the similar thing. I love to turn off the opacity jitter and turn on the pen pressure. And as I mentioned previously, we have a much different feeling here with the whole additive behavior of the brush. And you can already see it's getting very interesting here. So we have some interesting results.